What's up, guys? I want to give you this quick technical analysis video on Cosmos because we have broken out of a pattern that I want to show you in the charts, and I want to show you the target. But first, if you like this video, if you like my other videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash up the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's jump right into it here. This is Cosmos on TradingView. It's up about 8%, almost 9% here, and we're coming in at $42.50. And we have a strong buy indicator for the technicals here. And I just want to show you that back December 20th, we were at about $21.50, $21.50 here, and now we're coming in at $42.50, and we were up towards $43, $44. So we have a little over doubled for Cosmos in the last 1 month. And you can even go back here to where we're coming in at $42 on January 4th. So a couple weeks here, we've doubled for the Cosmos price when the rest of the market has gone sideways or down. Now let's jump right into the charts here. I'm on the 4-hour for Cosmos. As you can see here, we have a symmetrical triangle pattern that has formed, and we have broken out right here late last night, or I guess early morning. We had a 4-hourly candle close above the resistance line. And we have multiple touch points on the upside here, 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 and here, and we have multiple touch points on the downside. So this is a few week long pattern, and I want to show you guys the target. Let's measure it from the top right here. We're going to take this second touch point because we don't want to take this first touch point here, of course. Now we had a breakout about right there, and the target, guys, is approximately $51.80. Let's call it $52 for this target for Cosmos, and we will see if that plays out. I mean, we could totally see it come back down here and test this as support, which was once resistance, and then come back up to meet this target. And of course, it all depends on Bitcoin. You know, the whole crypto market kind of moves with Bitcoin. But like I said, we have been seeing Cosmos pump when Bitcoin's been going sideways or down. So this might be a good trading opportunity. You might have already got in on this if you're a leverage trader on Bybit or Phoenix, or you might just want to buy Cosmos on spot right now, or even when it comes back down to retest this. Now, I also want to show you this other pattern that has already basically formed or almost completed. We have an ascending triangle also here forming because of this, new touch point right here where we kind of hit resistance. And I'll talk about what that resistance is in just a second here, guys. So let's just complete this pattern here so you can easily see it. This ascending triangle. So let's measure the target of this here, guys, and you can see we have touch points on the upside, the downside, bouncing back and forth between support and resistance, and the target is measured right here from the top to the bottom of the triangle. And say we had a breakout right here, doesn't matter because the top is still flat. The target of this, guys, is all the way up here at $53.80. Call it $54. So we have a $52 and a $54 target, and of course this one would still have to break out, guys. We could even break out, where we are right now. We could see it come back down, and over here break out in this range, anywhere around the 21st of January to the 25th of January. I'm kind of leaning towards the next few days it's going to break out of this pattern. So we have multiple patterns here with similar price targets. So let's see if this plays out. Very, very, very bullish for Cosmos. One thing I'd like to point out, though, is the volume is going down here quite a bit for Cosmos, and that could be because we're on kind of a holiday weekend here with Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday. And it's been the weekend for a couple days, but I mean, this goes back to January 10th. The volume's kind of been going down, so we need to see a little bit of increase in volume here back up so we can blast up to these price target levels right there, guys. So let's actually bring out the Fibonacci extension tool, and we're going to go out here on the daily, and we're going to see if this kind of meets up with these price targets here. So we're going to take it from back here down to this low. Let's see here. Sorry, guys. We're actually going to do it like this. So we're going to take it from all the way back here when it was $9 in July to almost the all-time high back here in September, or it might have been the all-time high at about $44.85. And we're going to go all the way back down to this low where we have hit, you know, pretty key support right there. It's crazy because the golden pocket, you know, is right at the all-time high here at about $44, and that's what we're hitting right now. So I mean, if you would have done this, use the Fibonacci extension tool and done this, you know, back in December here on the 21st, you could have easily predicted this pump here up to the golden pocket, and that would have been a good place to take some profits. But now I could totally see this playing out where another conservative place to start taking profits is the 100% level, the one here. And I mean, that's up at about $56. So I mean, you know, our price targets were up towards $52 to $54. We have the Fibonacci extension 100% level coming in right there. We could also take some profits at the 78% level. So I mean, you know, these price targets are right in between there for the Fibonacci extension. But I mean, the main point I wanted to show you guys is if you would have seen this pump and then this retracement down to this big support level here, and you would have got in, you would have easily been able to exit. You know, you could have got in December 21st and you could have exited on January 4th right in the Fibonacci, the golden pocket right here at about $44, guys. So that's pretty crazy to see. That would have been a pretty good opportunity if you're a leverage trader or just buying and selling on spot. And I also want to bring out the Bollinger Bands, and this just kind of shows we're still in the daily here. We're not quite oversold yet. Usually these kind of mean, you know, overbought or oversold territory, and we don't really see too many times where it goes above that. I think like, what is it, 89% of the time we stay within the Bollinger Bands. So we still have a little bit of room here, guys. I mean, we're coming in, you know, towards this top band, but we can still get up to $45 to $46 before we're even touching this top band. And then we might see a little bit of a retracement down here and then a pump again. We did see, you know, a pump above the band right here. This was approximately, you know, like a 10% pump above the band. So we could see something like that coming in, but I think these price targets, you know, it might take a week or two to hit these guys for Cosmos. So let's just sit tight here and see what happens. We'll see if these patterns play out. So that's all I got for you guys today for Cosmos. And like I said, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.